not to buy an email list? It's tempting to buy an email list when you're looking to grow your business. After all, what could be easier than purchasing a pre-made list of names and email addresses? However, buying email lists is not such a great idea. In this article, we look at some of the reasons why buying an email list is counterproductive for your business. It's illegal to send emails to people who've not consented to your emails. Consent laws under GDPR state that you must gain consent from an email address owner to send promotional or marketing emails to them. It's not expressly illegal to buy an email list. However, GDPR laws prohibit you from sending marketing or promotional emails to people who have not given you consent. You're spamming people with junk email. When you buy an email list, you're spamming people with junk email. If people on your email lists did not sign up for promotional emails from you, they will mark your messages as spam. This will lead to your emails getting blocked, putting a halt to your email marketing efforts. Not only that, you'll be reported as spam, and your business name might even get blacklisted. Reputable email marketing service providers prohibit sending emails to bought lists. Most reputable email marketing service providers prohibit users from sending emails to bought lists. This is because bought lists are often composed of invalid and fake email addresses, leading to email deliverability problems. Most of the email lists that are on sale are of poor quality. Most businesses that advertise their lists on sale have low-quality lists with invalid or fake email addresses, making it difficult to reach out to the target audience. Some of these email addresses are scraped online by bots, and most of them are invalid or do not exist. Other people are also using the list you bought. When you buy an email list, you're not the only one using it. Other people are also using the same list and sending unsolicited emails. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.